The National Geological Screening exercise is based on existing information gathered from looking at rocks where they can be seen at the surface, from boreholes and from geophysical surveys. Although this existing information gives us a broad picture of the geology, there are still gaps in our understanding in the depth range 200 to 1,000 metres. The miners who worked the tin here in Cornwall and built these wonderful engine houses had only one way of understanding what lay beneath their feet. They had to dig. Our approach to filling the gaps in our understanding is demanding but less arduous than the miners. It is similar to a doctor treating a patient. The doctor will gather information by talking to them about the symptoms they have, physically examining them, and also by looking at the patient's records. The doctor may then ask for scans to be undertaken, which provide a picture of the inside of the patient using techniques like ultrasound or X-rays. In a similar way, we will work with the British Geological Survey to consider all the existing geological information for an area and identify the gaps in our understanding. We will use geophysical techniques like seismic surveys in a very similar way to develop a picture of the rocks in the depth range of interest. In the doctor and patient example, when all relevant non-intrusive tests have been carried out, the patient may be operated on to allow the collection of a sample for laboratory analysis. In our case, boreholes will provide us with samples of the rocks and groundwater to develop the necessary understanding we need. By working with the oil and gas and mining sectors and radioactive waste management organisations like ours overseas, we have identified the wide range of tried and tested investigation techniques that we can use to give us the understanding we need. So we will know what lies beneath our feet before we start to dig.